Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you the easiest way how to make a spiral out of a modeling balloon. I use a balloon for modeling size to 160. I pre-stretch and pre-inflate the balloon to eliminate the defect and stretch the walls of the balloon. I hold the tail of the balloon tightly, then wrap the whole balloon around my hand. For 1 minute, I press each turn of the balloon so that the material remembers the new shape. And voila! Look, it turned out to be a very thick spiral. I used the spiral when making a large octopus out of balloons. Thank you for watching us.